of the Congress, and of course when it has its government in the state of Telangana, there has been a massive controversy that has now erupted over the new Telangana Talli, or the mother of Telangana statue, which will be unveiled by Congress government today. Chief Minister himself is expected to unveil the statue at around 6 p.m. at the State Secretariat to mark the completion of 1 year of the Congress government. Significantly, it is also the birthday of the former Congress party president Sonia Gandhi, whom CM Reddy has often referred to as Mother of Telangana. Now, Telangana Talli statue, which is symbolic figure of the people of Telangana, the statue that was first designed by a resident of Nirmal district, was installed at the BRS headquarters in Hyderabad back in 2003. And Venkat Ramana had that time claimed that the inspiration behind the statue was the statehood agitation, which was led by former Telangana Chief Minister KCR. Now, Congress government has made several changes to the original design, which has led to a controversy where the statue earlier had a crown, had a maize in one hand, and on the other hand was a Batukama pot, the cultural symbol of Telangana's biggest festival. Now, the statue that has been dressed in a pink silk sari, the new statue does not have a crown or a Batukama pot, and one of the hand is now in the form of an open palm, and the color of the sari has now been changed to green. Gold waistband that has also been done away with in the new statue. The BRS and the BJP seems to be fuming over the changes that have been made and accusing Revanth Reddy government of attacking the cultural identity of the people of Telangana. BRS has also pledged to reinstall the statue in its original design once it is voted to power in the state again.
BRS party strongly opposes the changes made to Telangana Talli statue. It is unfortunate that Revanth Reddy's government is setting a wrong precedence that, designs will not change as and when the governments are changed. So it is a wrong precedence they are setting. And earlier, during the reign of Sri KCR, with the consent of all the people, taking cognizance of all the poets, writers, and civil society of Telangana, the previous design was approved. Today, you might install, rather you might have done a lot of changes, and you also have today installing the statue in Secretariat, where the previous government under the leadership of Sri KCR, we wanted to install that in between Secretariat and the Martyrs Memorial, and these changes will not be considered.
Now, the Congress government, meanwhile, has defended the changes in the design, saying that the design which was prepared during the KCR time had gold jewelry, but the new design is trying to represent the poor village women of the state of Telangana, and hence this poses a picture of reality.
ये तेलंगाना ताली गांव में कैसा रहता वो अब बहुत बड़ा अच्छा तरीके से गांव में कैसा लेडीज रहते उसका दर्जा जैसा दोरा फैमिली बोलते केसीआर को डायमंड का नेकलेस डायमंड ऐसा ऐसा वो करोड़ों का आदमी वो रिच पीपल है ना हम गरीब लेडी का लगाया तेलंगाना ताली गरीब लेडी कैसा रहते वैसा बनाया मेरा डिपार्टमेंट से बनाया वो R&B का.
Samit is with us right now. Samit, good morning. Do the people of Telangana identify themselves with the statue of Telangana Talli in which way and which form? Is it when it comes to the BRS, when it installed the statue initially, or the changes that have been made? How does it resonate?
Well, we'll have to wait and see how public will respond. But yes, political parties are responding, very aggressively to these changes. While BRS is also attacking the changes made by the Congress government. Also, at the same time, the BJP is also attacking the Congress party. And while the Congress leaders and the minister himself, who has redesigned it, Komatreddy Venkat Reddy, he himself has stated that. Village woman doesn't look like diamonds, and at the same time he said that poor village woman we have depicted in the new Telangana Talli statue, and BRS has also stated that when it comes to the Telangana Talli, because it is the mother of Telangana state, so depicting the entire traditions of the Telangana state and also richness and everything. So we have designed it earlier after taking the consideration of the civil society people, writers, poets, freedom fighters,
so
everyone.
There's been a design change, a look change completely, and that is being opposed both by the BJP and the BRS. However, this new statue of the mother of Telangana, as it represents, will be unveiled by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy today in the evening. Samit, thank you very much for joining in. We'll be back on the other side of a very short break. Stay tuned.